A woman died as a result of injuries she sustained in a two-vehicle crash on Fountain Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Friday morning. Her identity has not yet been ascertained. Unconfirmed reports suggest that she is a teacher. A police source told Observer Online that the woman was a passenger in a taxi traveling towards White House when the incident occurred. The source said about 11:30 a.m. a Mitsubishi L200 heading towards Black River swerved to avoid a pothole and collided with the taxi. The woman and the driver of the taxi were seriously hurt. 6 other people were also injured. The woman was pronounced at hospital and the others admitted for treatment. A 37-year-old man was charged after he reportedly shot his neighbor in the abdomen during a dispute in his community of Racecourse Falmouth in Trelawney on September 16. Charged with wounding with intent and possession of prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition is Ori Armstrong, otherwise called No Doubt. Reports from the Falmouth police are that around 11 a.m. Armstrong and his neighbor were arguing when Armstrong went to his house and returned with a gun. He then fired several gunshots at the neighbor, injuring him in his abdomen. The neighbor escaped and was assisted by residents to the hospital where he was treated and released. A report was made to the police and Armstrong turned himself in later that day. He was charged on September 20. A 29-year-old man who was reportedly listed as wanted by the Sentence Bay police was slapped with gun charges after turning himself in on Wednesday. He is Javan Simpson, a lifeguard of Salt Spring, Montego Bay, St. James. Simpson is charged with wounding with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony, and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m. Simpson and a group of men were traveling in a Toyota Axia motor car, which came to a stop where a man was. Simpson alighted from the motor vehicle and fired several shots, hitting the man several times. The police were alerted and the man was taken to hospital for treatment. During the investigation, Simpson was listed as wanted. He subsequently handed himself over to the police after he was published as being wanted. Simpson was charged after he underwent a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. His accomplices are being sought by the police.